Question relating to yesterday's class. You mentioned that we should always quote from Shastra to avoid preaching the wrong message. Often we see that speakers are looking for some esoteric or unique pastime of the Lord from various Puranas. Should we quote other Puranas outside the Srimad Bhagavatam? Should we? We can do. Why not? All the Acharyas have done, the Chaitanya Charitamrita, the Sandarbhas of Jiva Goswami. It's all Shastra. Bhagavatam is mostly quoted in the Sandarbhas and in Chaitanya Charitamrita more than others, but there's you're talking about this morning's class, but in the very class this morning I was quoting Sarvopadi Vinir Muktam, this verse. Where's that from? It's there in Chaitanya Charitamrita. It's there in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, which is also a compilation, right? Padma Purana, maybe. I believe it's, you can look it up, I believe it's from Narada Pancharatra, may be wrong. But anyway, the point is, there are so many verses we can quote. We even quote Shankaracharya. Prabhupada quoted him many times. What is that? Narayana. Well, of course, Bhaja Govindam is very popular to quote from Shankaracharya. Narayana Paro Vyaktat. Narayana is beyond the unmanifested. You can quote any. You can quote Donald Trump. If he says something which is worth quoting. Theoretically. I'm not... there may be. Srila Prabhupada did also. You see some of his early Back to Godhead articles. He's quoting from some newspaper. Shastra is the center, Shastra is the basis. But if we can... ultimately, we should see everything in relation to the message of Bhagavatam. And then we can understand everything in that context.